To Designing with Alicia. I came up with this random idea and I wanted to do a quick video. I wanted to get a table runner and I had went out to Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington, Home Goods, and I could not find something that was white. I wanted a clean look of a table runner, so I'm going to try this and see how it turns out. I had some old top panel fabric. It matches the fabric of the curtains in my kitchen. So since I'm not using them and they're pretty long, as you see, not long as my table, but they're pretty long. I have 2 of these, and it has these on it. So I'm going to cut this off, sew a hem to match similar to this hem here. So it'll have the same hemming on both sides. Then to make it longer, I'm going to take the second curtain and I'm going to try to attach it to the end, where it'll actually look like it's made to be attached. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to see how it turns out and what it looks like. So just stay tuned to see how I turn these curtains that I don't use into a table runner. That I got all of the upper parts off. You can see where I cut it. I'm going to prepare my hem by folding this. Like again, I want to match it with this side, okay? Because you can't lay it across the table and it doesn't match. On this side, it's like torn up and cut up. So I'm going to start preparing it by folding it the equal same size, equal as this, and then I'm going to iron it down, right? Get it pressed down smoothly, and then I'm going to run it through the sewing machine to close the seam. Okay. Then once I do that, the second curtain here, but I gotta find a way to attach this to create length because these panels are they're like short. These are the curtains, which are like a linen material, which is that same exact material, right? So it'll blend right in. So I wanted the table runner to go down this table. Now you can see where I went ahead and prepped the hem. And again, this is not to be perfect. This is about taking what you have and making the best of it and trying stuff. Never be afraid to try stuff. That's my key thing. All of these things I do, it's just of a matter of a random thought and a random try. And sometimes stuff turn out good or nice or cute, and then sometimes it don't. And you try it again or you give up and just move on and go out and buy it. So we'll see once I sew this up. And then I got to actually take the second one here. As you see, it doesn't have the prepared hem, but it has the one that was already there. So I got to do the same thing with the second panel. So this one is ready to be sewn. This is the table runner that I made from Kurt.